Hey everyone, Matt again with another video, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be opening up and printing with the Anniversary Edition PLA roll from Prusament. So to give you a little bit of a backstory to this, I had no idea Anniversary rolls was a thing. I didn't know one was coming. I was just checking the website one day and suddenly I saw it there. It was for sale. One of 500 rolls. They're not going to have any more kind of thing, or at least anytime soon. It was $40 or $39.99. Sure, added it to the cart, and on the way it came. Soon noticed, really soon after, that immediately sold out, and I guess on the website it shows it sold out within 8 hours, so I lucked out entirely on this. The one thing I didn't know was what color it would be. The pictures on the website have one with green, one got a purpley pink kind of thing, one with like an orangey red, that kind of thing. So I had no idea what I was going to get. It said right off the bat, you know, each spool is different. You don't know what you're going to get, and that's fine with me. I just didn't know at all, and you know, we'll print something with it. But here it is. I've already opened this up, so I kind of know what it is already. But you know, you guys don't know what's what. Came with one of these, signed by Prusa himself, in theory. Unless that's a print, I'm not overly too sure. And here it is. It's not the pink, purple kind of colors I was hoping for. It's more of a earthy, greeny, brown kind of mixed to it with a little bit of hints of red, orange, yellow kind of thing. So it's a very earthy kind of color to this one, so don't quite know exactly what I'm going to make with it, but what I can tell you is it is spool number 168, and assuming they only made 500 of them, you know, 168 to 500, and that's what you get in this one. So the ones before and after I assume are pretty similar. And I don't know which numbers are going to have more of the pink purple that I wanted. And I'm sure there's ones on there that are like the red, orange, and all green and yellow kind of thing. But yeah, no, I'll make something with it. And, you know, we will start that now. And here's the end result. It's not what I'd say very rainbowy, but it's got more of a lime green, no, not a lime green, like an olive green, with a little hint of browny red kind of in the middle. Clearly the model didn't do a lot of the color changing that's actually on the spool here, so I guess I need to make something wider, a little taller, with a little more infill kind of thing, and hopefully that actually works. And here's what I got. A little bit of, didn't quite hold together too well on the chin here, but otherwise there's a little bit of a contrast there, as you can see. Bit of a green going into the browns, into the little stripe up here across it kind of thing. So all in all, you know, it works as a rainbow filament. The only thing I'm not happy about is the rest of the spool. And that's because the rest is literally just a symphony of brown. A lot of maybe lighter browns, some darker browns, and then at the end of the spool looks like some very dark brown. So it's very earthy, very, you know, brown tone. So I don't know what else I'm really going to make with this. As far as my immediate thoughts is it's going to sit on the shelf until I need a vase. I made a Bulbasaur because I was trying to think of something that was kind of brown, kind of green kind of thing, kind of what's earthy kind of thing. And, you know, I'm not exactly displeased with it, but I don't want to make 4 more of them kind of thing. So yeah, that there is my experience with the Prusament Anniversary roll. Again, this is roll number 168. There were apparently 500 rolls. Clearly, mine's the only one that's going to look like this. Someone else is probably going to have some better colors than I did, but you know, it is what it is. Luck of the draw. What can you do? If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. As always, like and subscribe. And as always, until the next one.